Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to remove unused projects in Claude. If you have projects in Claude that you no longer use, you can remove them permanently instead of leaving them in your project list. So open Claude and sign into your account. Next, on the left side, click Projects. Now find the project you want to remove. Then click the three-dot menu on the project. So right here, click Delete and confirm by clicking Delete, and that project will be permanently deleted. So if the delete option is missing, if you only see archive instead of delete, to open the archive project, then unarchive it first, return to the active project and open the three dots next to it and click delete. So Claude doesn't allow archive projects to be deleted directly. So keep in mind that deleting a project removes the project and its conversations, and it will be deleted permanently. So archived projects are simply hidden from your main project list, so they're not deleted and can be restored later. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.